this light here is about a 4, maybe a 3. It's lighter. So that is another value shape. You see this little area right here? That's where, I think it's your glasses or something, right there. See how there's a light area inside a dark area? Okay, that's 2 value shapes. That one and that one interacting. To draw that, you just interact the, to paint that, you just interact the value shapes. So you draw it and then fill it in with the appropriate value, and there it is. So that's what this would be too. This value shape, this value shape. So you just draw the shape of the thing and then fill it in, draw the shape of the other thing, fill it in, and no matter how complex, like a face is very complex, there's a lot going on, right? But it's just value shapes. They just get smaller, but they're still just value shapes. So what you really have to do is learn to read the light. What is the light doing? And in those little value shapes, okay, that's a 6, that's a 3, that one's 2, that's a 1. Fill them in, fill them in, fill them in. Does it sound familiar? It sounds like paint by numbers, right? That's where paint by numbers came from. Impressionists figured this out. Impressionists figured out that seeing what the light is doing can be broken down into shapes. And then somewhere after that, around 1900 or something, some smartass figured out that, well, if I take those value shapes, I put a number in there and I match that up to a color, I can sell it and people can paint and they'll think they're painters, right? And paint by number came from that, but it's a valid idea. Just see the value